Hey Non-Techies, this is Jess from Non-Techie HQ. In today's tutorial, we will go over how to turn on self-serve returns on Shopify. First, we want to be logged into our Shopify account. Then we will go to settings. In settings, we will go to customer accounts. Then we will go to self-serve returns. Here, you can toggle this on and this will turn on your self-serve returns. You can show the login links, which will be shown in the header of the store at checkout, and they will have a one-time code where they will be able to log into the self-serve return. With the self-serve return, you'll want to go to the rules in your policies and update your return and refund policy. This is where customers will be shown your return policy to be able to complete a self-serve return. So that is how you turn on self-serve returns on Shopify.